Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch. And if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual, and let's get right into it here. As you guys can probably tell, let's get onto the Bitcoin chart. What am I doing here looking at ETFs? Let's get onto the Bitcoin chart. So right now you guys can probably tell we got a nice little bounce from the lows yesterday, and now we are starting to come back down. I still expect that we could potentially get a very nice move down to the $38,000 level. Is it going to be direct path? It might not, right? Looking at the 4-hour stochastics, we have come back down. It is already starting to curl back up, and the daily has already reset towards the downside. So it's possible that we could get actually one more pump and extend this wave 3 just a little bit higher, maybe to 50,000, 48,000. Not too sure how high we could go. Because we are already very elevated. We are due for a pullback, and I do believe this wave C is going to come. But again, we just got to be patient, sit on our hands, and wait for entry opportunities for longs towards the downside. Okay, so again, if we price dips, I am going to be looking for some long positions around these levels. I've already outlined them here for you. So between 39,000 to 38,000 should be a very nice buying opportunity. If that level does not hold, and if we go just a little bit lower, then I will be waiting for 36 to 34,000. So between those levels is where I'm going to be waiting. Let's move on here. We'll take a look at some wave edge indicators. So right now, nothing new happening on Bitcoin on the daily chart, nothing on the 2-day, nothing on the 3-day, nothing on the 4-day either. Actually, the 4-day we did get a red cross here, but we're in a very strong uptrend. So again, that can very well continue. Taking a look at the 4-hour, nothing there, and nothing on the 1-hour either. Surprisingly, we actually, that previous dip yesterday, we did buy the dip, and then you got a nice little rally, and then now you're getting a short signal, and now you're getting another long signal. So again, you can play these long and short signals if you're trading intraday and see if you can get a nice little move up. But again, these signals can fail, right? And they don't always play out right away. So you might get a long signal here, and then you go down a little bit more, and then you get a pop back up, and then that's your signal to take your profits, or get out of your trade, because another leg down could be coming, and you always want to secure your profits anyways, right? Regardless of whether it's a short-term trade or a long-term trade, you always want to take the profits. Now let's take a look at market cipher. Taking a look at the 1-day time frame here, I think we actually got a green dot yesterday with a nice little potential confirmation of a buy with a big pump too, but now that pump has kind of subsided, and we're just chopping sideways and consolidating at the high. So are we consolidating for another leg up, or are we consolidating for another move down? So we're gonna find out in a few days. I do believe a big move is coming soon, and we won't stay here forever. And taking a look at maybe some smaller time frames, the 4-hour, we are currently in red money flow, but we are in a very strong uptrend. Right, so this uptrend can very well continue, and it could end this downwards price action that we've gotten from 44 all the way down to 41. This could end at any moment and actually continue pumping up. So don't discount it. And that's why if you are shorting, you want to set your stops, some tight stops in profit, or at least to break even. And that's what we're doing inside the Discord. We're actually providing some great entry opportunities. Hayden has been killing it on his trades, up over 79% here on Ethereum trade, on an Ethereum short, 148% on an ADA short, 22% on a Mask short, and finally 54% gain on the Gala short. So again, you guys get these entries in real time, and everyone seems to be enjoying them, for the time being. We haven't added too many big losses, so again, it's mostly wins. So again, that's usually a sign of a good trader. So we got a very good one inside the CryptoWiki Discord. Now we'll take a look here at maybe the 1-hour time frame. We actually have exited the red money flow. We've entered the green once again. So again, that's why we could see some more short-term upside, and don't discount it. It can come. These pumps can come out of nowhere. I know things are very, pie in the sky. They're very elevated. Engine is actually still pumping towards the upside. If you believe it or not, it is still rallying, and it's still going up. So again, if you are getting in front of these things, sometimes it can really hurt you if you just keep shorting and shorting and shorting, right? You need to either hedge those shorts or you need to stop out. Let's take a look here at finally, we'll take a look at the dollar very quickly. The dollar was actually down today, and it appears that it wants to continue this downtrend, even though the dollar is very oversold right now. But looking at DXY on Market Cipher, taking a look at the dollar, you can see we have entered red money flow now. We could be printing a green dot soon, which would create a nice little bullish divergence. But the weekly is looking quite awful, and the monthly has flipped from being very bullish to very bearish now. So could the collapse of the dollar cause another huge spike in the Bitcoin price? And yes, it could, and it would definitely help equities out, and it could keep pumping the markets, and the markets are in a parabolic run right now. So again, not too surprising that everyone is buying everything on their hands, risk on, risk off. It doesn't matter. Sorry, that's not risk off. It's all risk on, and they're buying the riskiest things. Cryptos, bankrupt companies, anything goes. Everything is on sale. But again, I urge you to be cautious, and if you are taking some risky trades right now, you might want to watch this video and just be careful, because if we just start to pull back all of a sudden, it could hurt you significantly if you don't have any stop losses. Anyways, have a wonderful night, guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.